would like to start the program. We have approximately 2 hours to complete, and many devotees have came forward and expressed their genuine desire to speak.
उसकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी, तभी मुझे उसने बताया कि मुझे ये जो आपके थोड़े भगवान के लिए कपड़े वस्त्र है, मैं वो आपको वापस करना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि अभी मैं मेरी तबीयत के लिए मैं तबीयत पे ध्यान रखना चाहती हूँ। तो मेरे मन में एक बहुत सा
her service attitude is really commendable. At this point, I would like to mention her dress stitching, of course, is there, and Shri Radha Gopinath ji are so happy and proud of her. And she may not be there physically, but they have embraced her through her dresses which they wear. As for me, even if she is very versatile personality, as for me, I would tell her, Champak, you have to stitch my Jagannath Ji's dress.
There are no words to describe the enthusiasm that she had. She was so steadfast in her services, and not once have I seen her not smiling. She's gone through, so many trials, tribulations, and but nobody seeing her would know that how much she suffered, how much, her health was a challenge, but she was ever smiling, always. And she loved to make
तो 2125 में हम लोग में से कोई भी नहीं रहने वाला, सब जाने वाले। प्रश्न ये है कि जाने से पहले आपने अपना जीवन सार्थक किया है क्या? तो वो सार्थकता चंपक मंजरी ने की है। जैसे प्रभुपाद बोले, लाइफ इज अ प्रिपरेशन, डेथ इज एग्जामिनेशन। तो उन्होंने अपना जीवन जो है किस तरह से भक्तिमय होते हुए, सिर्फ भगवान का श्रृंगार करते हुए, भगवान के भक्तों की सेवा करते हुए, देखिए उन्होंने कैसे
Just outside this compound, leaning on the pillar, and her health wasn't good by then already. And she came up to me, and that just at 3 a.m. from her mother's house, I just picked up the blouses. So I said, Mataji, it's just 2 hours back I picked up. You take rest. She said, how can I miss meeting Radharani on her birthday? Early morning, and he said only after I see Radharani in the morning and during Shringar will I take rest after that. And I remember COVID, the test department here at
and although so many ups and downs happened in her life, but still she was always ready to serve and stitch the dresses of Radha Gopinath ji. At the least expected moment, if we tell her, she is there for the seva available. And as Champak Manjari Mataji, she just left so in a short time. I was just remembering.
And when I say that I know the saint, I am not using it in a very light way. I know the gravity of the word, what saint actually means, what is the seriousness of the word saint. And one of the characteristics of a saint is that the saint has the ability to completely obliterate your misconceptions. So, certain misconceptions that we have, and the saint, through their words and through their actions, are able to completely change our attitude, change our pattern of thinking. So I met her way back in 2006 when, for the first time, I was involved in the book Godown. 2006, and that's when I met. She wasn't even Champak Manjari then, she was Neelam Godin. And at that time, the misconception that I had was, whatever it is, Matajis are also doing devotional service. Lekin kahi na kahi, boys are better. Men are more energetic and they can do more service than women. And when I saw her, she was like a total fireball, like a nuclear bomb. The kind of enthusiasm that she had, and Prabhuji knows, under Prabhuji's guidance and direction, she was doing book distribution. And like so many boxes, and like single-handedly, like here I was a, male and, sorry, excuse me. I was not able to, handle so many boxes all alone actually. The kind of things she would keep doing, come into the go down 2 times, thrice a day, engage all, I think at that time she was teaching somewhere, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So she would engage all her students, college mates and everybody, and finally I had to just tell, Mataji, just chill. There is no need to be so, just relax. So she was so enthusiastic. And that's when I kind of realized that, chori choro se kam nahi hai, that's when I realized it, totally. And not only that, not that, it was just a one-off case. Over the years, consistently she was doing book distribution. In fact, marathon means, yes, Champak Manjari has to be in the book godown and, take some books. In fact, and the thing is, from what I understand, she was going through a health crisis for the past about 7-8 years, intense health crisis. But never ever in our interactions did she even kind of expect any sympathy or some kind of attention or like, oh please, nothing. I just felt it was like business as usual. Okay, take the books, distribute the books. What can we do to increase the book distribution? In fact, so much so that our famous marathon that happened last year, okay, I'm guessing she was not in a very good physical shape at that time, but yet, we interacted only on the phone because at that time it was obviously not possible to probably go do physical book distribution. It was all Shastra Dhan. And again, the same thing that I found 19 years ago. Like she would send a message, Prabhuji, need receipt for this donation, and I'm sending the message to the accounts, another message comes in, Prabhu, need receipt, Prabhu, need receipt. Then again, I had to tell her the same thing that I told her 19 years ago. Mataji, please chill, we're working on it, we're already over. So that's about the book distribution, and I'm sure that that's the part that I saw very clearly, and obviously we've been discussing for so many minutes now, hours probably, that she was like a versatile personality and so much talent she had. And last thing about Saint is that how she destroyed my misconception is somehow one of her family members, her brother, shared like one of her videos, very confidential actually, but she was very kind, and I'm very grateful to see the videos of her, just a few hours before she, left us all. And I could see very clearly that simply it was a few seconds, and how her whole body is shattered, and her mind is totally overburdened by the pain. She's like totally disoriented. But the way she was saying, Gopina, Radharani, I love you, in a very sing-song way, it's not actually possible. It's not coming from the mind, it's not coming from the sense, it's not coming from anywhere, it's coming from the deepest core of the heart actually. So this shows like what this person has cultivated over the years. Probably we are saying years, this lifetime, but this person has probably cultivated over many lifetimes, So it is such a proud moment, and for me that misconception was, is that, look, all this thing that we take so seriously, until and unless we are cultivating that deep thing inside, all this thing can be external. It will happen to you, it will happen to me, it will happen to all of us in this room sooner or later. But this person is actually teaching us, even though she's so young, but she's teaching us how we should live our lives, so at that last moment we are able to, do the same thing. So I'm very, very grateful for this wonderful connection to Champak Manjari Mataji. And on a personal note, I just want to say that, one astrologer told me personally many years ago that Sharbhuj, you will probably never be powerful, but you will always be connected to very, very powerful people. So, Champak Manjari Mataji is one of the powerful people I'm connected to in my list. And in my final time, when the Yamdutas finally come for me, I'll probably show them this connection list and ask them to save me. Hare Krishna.